my channel. So today's video is obviously another wig review. This review is going to be a wig that was brought to you guys by the company HeraRemy.com. They are an independent synthetic and human hair wig distributor. So this is not going to be like your typical company that sells like Outre or Model. It's kind of more like a Friday Night Hair where they make their own units. I'm going to bring you guys all the details on this company and this wig. So if you're interested to see what I'm wearing, then make sure you keep on watching. So before I continue, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that subscribe button and click the post notifications. It will let you know when I upload. I do upload 3 times a week, so you don't want to miss any of my new content. And let's jump into this review. So like I mentioned, the company is called HeraRemy.com and they sell their own synthetic and human hair wigs. I wanted to check them out for myself. They also have some hair products on their site too. So make sure you guys check them out. Everything you will need is in the description box below, so make sure you open that up. And let's jump into what I'm currently wearing. This is the Otto unit. So it's a premium synthetic deep part lace wig and it's supposed to be 30 inches long. It has tons of different colors to choose from on the site. This is the color 2. This unit does feature your typical cap construction. It is a breathable cap. You do have 2 combs in the front on either side of the part. You do not have a comb in the back, but you do have adjustable straps. And the texture on this unit is a light yaki. It's very soft and pretty. It's full of body, as you guys can see. I just really like this texture. Like, it's not a full yaki, but it looks really natural. Like, it almost looks like somebody blew out my hair and just put some like curls in it and called it a day. It's just really pretty. It does not come with baby hairs in the front. I had to create my own, but it does come with baby hairs in the back. So if you are one to pull up your wigs, then this could be an option for you. And the cap is very comfortable. It does have hard lace in the front, but I'm not having an issue with it being scratchy at all. The lace is very comfortable on my head. I don't even feel like I'm wearing a unit. This unit is very comfortable, like very comfortable. So yes, it is big head friendly, which is always a plus in my book. I haven't experienced any shedding or tangling from this unit, which is really great considering that it's 30 inches long. This almost looks like a very natural sew-in if you guys like a lot of hair. And the density is amazing. It's not thin at all. You have a ton of hair on this unit, but it doesn't look unrealistic. It looks very natural in my opinion. So now, what do I think of this unit? I'm actually very impressed. When I first was offered to review this hair, I did see some top YouTubers in the wig community that were filming this unit and it looked great on them and they seemed to like really like it. So I was hoping for the best and I'm really glad that I accepted their offer to review this for you guys. I was not expecting this unit to be this nice. The texture is so soft and realistic. I'm not getting any shedding from this unit, which is amazing. Tangling is very minimal, so I'm really excited about this one. This is where it's hitting me at. I'm 5'7", so I guess this is 30 inches. I don't know. I feel like this is more like 22, 26, but it could just be me. But yeah, this is where it's hitting me at. I'm just really excited about this unit. And then you guys, the best part is it's extremely affordable. So if you are looking to pick up this unit right now on the Hera Remy site, it is $22.69. $22 for this amazing hair. Like, I just can't get over that. I'm really excited and really glad that I decided to review this for you guys because I think if you guys decide to go with something like this, you'll really like it. It reminds me a lot of the Outre Nisha unit, but better. Like, I reviewed the Outre Nisha unit and I will leave a link to it up here so you guys can check it out, but you guys, this is better than Outre Nisha. Like, it's laying so much nicer. It's like a good density, but it all fits and flows well on this cap. So would I recommend this unit? Yes, I definitely would recommend this unit. I hope that you guys will check out the Hera Remy site. Make sure you open up the description box because all of the links that you need are going to be listed down below. So make sure you guys check that out. And yeah, you guys know the drill. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more wig reviews / tutorials. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Oh, don't forget to subscribe before you leave this video. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss my next upload. And until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye.